Okay, now we have this part here. You can see the gainers and the losers. What it simply means that these gainers is on the gainers by default. You see the coins that have done great. Look at the coins here. Sorry for this. It's the way the phone is designed. All these coins you're seeing, Block, FX, Elon, Sheep, they have done good percentage. That is what you're seeing them here. So it reached from the highest to the lowest. This is the coin. This is the price in which the coin is with particular price of the coin now, and this is the percentage the coin have done for only today in the net in 24 hours. Okay, so that is that. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see this part here, home. You'll see market, trade, futures, and assets. Now, let me explain. This home is everything we are just explained. Everything down to this part here, all this part. If you click home, this is what you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing everything, everything. Why the market is the place you see the coin that you want to buy. Now before I go further, I'll be checking the time. I don't want to upload the video so it will be too long. Maybe 4 minutes, I'm done with this video. This is just 1 minute, so I'll be fast. Now let me be fast. This favorite you're seeing here, we are on sports. Sports simply means you want to trade in normal dollar. You want to trade the coin slash dollar. We have different coin, more than 10,000 coin, but you want to trade those coin slash dollar. Okay, we have the futures trading, which is like the forest. So we are not trading futures now. We are not discussing about that one. We are talking about the spot for now. So for the spot, we have favorite. Favorite simply means that the coin that you want to be using at a particular time is you always use. So you can put them in your favorite so that you always have access to them since that there are so many coins in the market. Okay, that is why you are seeing some coins in my favorite. You see the favorite is highlighted green. You are seeing some coins there. I'm the one that put these coins in my favorite because I always use them. Now, if I shift to USD, if I click on USD, you will see so many coins. If I scroll down, you see so many coins, thousands of coins. Okay, now you don't want to start looking for all those coins. What you just need to do if you want to trade a coin or they ask you go and buy this coin, all you just need to do is to click on this place here. You see this small search box here, this little search box you're seeing, that's thing that looks like zero. Click on it. Once you click on it, now let's assume that you want to search um for a coin called maybe a link, chain link. The abbreviation is link, LINK. Okay, just click inside this box and click on LI and search for LINK. You're seeing it, it will appear. Now it will now show you link slash dollar, which is this USDT. It simply means stable coin. It's a stable coin. It's dollar. So anytime I'm talking about spot trading, just know I'm talking about USDT slash any coin in the world. Okay, even slash Bitcoin as well. So this USDC is equivalent to one USDT, but they are different stable coin, but they are doing the same work. Okay, even there's one they call UST. That one too is a stable coin. We have like five stable coin, if I'm not mistaken. So the most major one is this USDT. So now if you see the coin slash USDT, which is link slash USDT, and you want to trade it, just click on it. Once you click on it, it will not take you to markets. Now I will go back from here. I will go back from here. I want to show you something. I click on that stuff. I click on market. I click on search for the coin and I search for the coin. Click on the coin. What happened? It will take me to this trade. This second tab here. This second tab here is trade. This one here you're saying trade. This one I wrote trade here. The middle one. When I click on it, you will still see the same pattern. Okay, now if I click on this part here, it will take me to that previous page you saw, this candle, this candlestick. That means the chart. You are seeing this chart. Okay, are you seeing it? Chart. So let me go back. I don't want to confuse you. Let me go back to markets, then go back to my search for link, link USDT. I'm going to click on it, the first one. Now look at what you're seeing here. All these things you're seeing here. Let me check the time. This is 5 minutes. Let me stop it from here.